How to log into RBS Banking. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch any of the browser. Here we go. At the top you will see the search box. Over here type in RBS Bank login and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Click on this very first one. Log into Royal Bank of Scotland. Open it. With that, you will land to the official website of RBS Bank. Now from this page, you can easily log into your account. First, you have to select whether you want to use customer number or card number. After you select it, type in the card number or customer care number. If you want to remember your card number or customer number, you can check in for this option of Remember Me. After you fill this, click on the option of Continue. And in the next page, you have to type in the password of your account. And with that, you will be logged into your account. In the case you haven't created your account yet, you can click on this option of Sign Up here and create it. So this was all for this video. This is how you can easily log into RBS Banking. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.